morning, I'm Veerna. I'm from IITM BS degree Electronic Systems. Today we are doing experiment for week 7 and week 8 where we make the circuit as shown in the circuit diagram using a comparator, binary adder, BCD 7 segment. The comparator we are using is 74LS85, the binary adder 74LS83 and two BCD 7 segments which we are using as 74LS47 and two displays, and we have made the circuit arrangement as shown over there. Initially we are supposed to check if all of them are working, all the components are working, and we will be doing it for the 74LS85 initially using a multimeter to check if all the connections are secure initially. And to describe the connection we have made here, we have connected the A part and the B part as shown in the comparator. We have given the input 1001 for the B part as shown over there, and you can see it over here also, where we have connected the ground to these two wires and we have connected the source of 5 volts to these two wires. And we have given A as initially 0 and we'll be changing it to 1 later to see the readings in the display. So initially it isn't 0. We'll be checking if this circuit is secure, and the beep sound over here says that the circuit is secure for that part, and then we'll be checking at all the pins randomly. Okay, it seems all of them are working in perfect condition. Now we'll be changing this multimeter to a voltmeter for recording our readings, and initially we'll be expecting a reading of 5 volts at pin 5. That's what's expected. Yes, we are getting 4.97, which is nearly equal to 5 volts, the amount of voltage source we are providing. Next, we'll be expecting another 5 volts at pin 6. And yes, we're getting the same value, which is 4.97, which is 5. And next, we move on with the next pin, which I expect will be 0. And yes, we're getting 0. According to the same connection, we have done it and we have gotten the results using a voltmeter, and so we get to know our equipment is working perfectly over here. The IC is perfect. Similarly, we did this for the binary adder and we discovered it's working alright too. And then we have done these connections using a 74LS47. The special thing about this circuit is that we have used only one 74LS47, but we have ensured it to be able to give inputs for the displays, both of the displays, using all the secure connections that we have managed to do. And I did this because we only got one 74LS47 in the component box, but we have gotten the same result without disturbing any of the circuit procedures, which is a mark for me. And next we move on. We have given the connections of 7 330 ohm resistors and for one display, and another 7 330 ohm resistor for the other display. And then now we will ensure this is in a perfect connection by connecting this ground over here. And yes, we get the initial value in the display as 1 and 2, which is for A when A is equal to 0. And when we change the A value to 1 and ensure this connection is all secure, then we do this over here. Then we connect this securely over here. And yes, when the connection is all perfect, we are getting the value of 0 and 4, which is the expected value we got when A is equal to 1. As you can see, we got the value of 0 and 4, which is the perfect output, and we have done our experiment successfully for both week 7 and week 8. Thank you.